Let's talk about the normal things I don't buy as a frugal person. Number one on the list is deodorant. O baka isipin nyo naman, mabantot ko, but I'm not. Grabe defensive agad. But, I do take a bath 2 to 3 times a day. If I can, kasi sobrang init po sa Pilipinas. Kahit may aircon, I don't know why. Talagang mainit. And also, if you are working out talaga, me, myself, I do work out. And, mahilig akong maglakad bago matulog sa gabi. So, I feel like namamawis ako. Kaya, tayo naliligo ng 2 to 3 times a day. And, also, instead of me buying a deodorant, I use either Milku. I don't know if it's also called a deodorant, but I do use Milku pag alam ko na yung day ko is magiging mahaba. And that, yun yung parang time na wala ka talagang chance na maligo and you think, or I think na mapagpapawisan ako for that day. I apply Milku. And also, tawas. I do use tawas. Yung powderized form ng tawas. Number 2 on the list is soft drinks. It's not really on my grocery list, yung soft drinks. Like for personal consumption, I would only buy it maybe siguro if I have a visitor or basta if other people would drink it. Yes, I would buy, but for myself, like for my personal consumption, na like stock or grocery, like kasama siya sa grocery list ko, nah. Kasi napansin ko sa sarili ko, if I take mga sugary drinks, ang bilis ko magutom. Siguro nandun na rin yan sa, parang sa sugar, something, ganyan. Alam mo yung biglang taas ng energy mo, tapos kapag nag-ano na siya, ewan ko yung mga term nila dyan, parang yung ganon, nag-peak, tapos biglang bagsak, bigla kang gugutumin, and that would make you eat more. And number 3, home decor. Siguro for now, kasi I think my place naman is okay na for mga decorations and all that. Pero siguro if I would have a new place na kailangan kong designan or what, then of course I would buy a home decor. But ako kasi pag bumibili ako ng mga decor, it really has a purpose. Hindi lang siya for display purposes, but meron siyang purpose. Paano ko ba masasabing meron siyang purpose? For example, parang design siya na parang nahihirap i-explain, but siya, decor siya na medyo weird siya. I have this decor na decoration siya. Pero, in case of emergency, you can turn it into into a self-defense mode. Basta mga ganon, yung pagka, di ba, malay mo, hindi mo masabi, di ba, shak! Ganon. Ayun. And number 4 is phone case. Hindi ako regularly nagpapalit ng phone case na parang akala mo damit mo na yung phone case. I mean, basta pagka feeling ko naman na okay pa siya, and kahit parang masyongit na siya, but it still does the job. I mean, hindi ko siya papalitan. Like for example, this is okay. Medyo yung iba kasi pag may mga parang mga kas na siya, talagang gusto nilang palitan kaagad. But for me, hindi naman ako masyadong OOCD sa ganyan. So, ayun lang muna for today's video, guys. Yun lang muna ating mga frugal living tips for today. Thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.